Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an event in Discord. So go to events here and you're going to select create event. You have to be an admin or an owner. So where's your event? Maybe voice channel, and you're going to select a channel. Select next, and maybe you're going to type in a tournament, and then the start date is like at the 14th of July and the start time at like 6 p.m. Does not repeat. And description: Valorant tournament with a prize pool of blah blah blah. You can also add in a cover image. Press next and press create event. Now you can share it to all of your friends, and they can press interested if they want to join this event. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!